Hello friends, welcome to Inam Tech Support. If you are watching this video, please share this video, subscribe the channel, hype this video and like this video. Friends, this is the view of Nagaland Dimapur Tilaksu village. Today fire caught at Tilaksu village at Nagaland Dimapur. Friends, be safe. Please share this video more and more. If you are watching Nagaland Dimapur, friends, please share this video. Share, please share. This is the bad condition of this village. Fire caught badly. Friends, so many people gathered here. They come out from their house, friends.
Capstone School, so the Pani so pelap chede go itu line de se foche de se foche ro middle de bacha se itu to pura khatam ita fire brigade aise go bacha chede olebe olo bolebe parbo thai kan man kan iman bishe pani mara se wire, kan như là một cái এতিয়া ফায়ার ব্রিগেড আছে গর জ্বলা তো পুরা খতম হলে না লাগে না হয়েছে